Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The witches discover the truth. Story. During the next meeting of the witches, they discovered that it had been Esu who helped Òsá Méjì to falsify the account of the story that had been given to them by the executed woman and child. So they decided that Òsá Méjì must die before the end of that year. He saw this in a dream and decided to visit the following babaláwo, priests of Ifa, for divination. Ajibola ni sawo kimak, kerpalo mi kayingodit lewa, akidara mi atamodi. Ni unananmontedi. When they cast Ifa for him, his own Odu manifested. They told him that death had been reserved for him before the end of the year, and that nothing could be done to stop it. After receiving this grim news, he locked himself away and began to sob. When his wife saw that her husband's end was near, she packed her belongings and left the house. Upon arriving at the market, she encountered two babaláwo named Hasa lo kenbi aja and Lureng kurhan omo erankase shar. They asked her if she was not the wife of Òsá Méjì, and she confirmed it, but she added that the witches had sentenced her husband to death, and that this had been confirmed through divination, that he was going to die before the end of the year, and that due to this desperate situation, she had left. They convinced her to return with them to the house, and she did so. They assured her that there would be a remedy because Orunmila does not surrender to the impossible. They found Òsá Méjì, who was still weeping. When he told them the Odu that had appeared, they asked why he was crying, for its meaning was that this would be the year in which prosperity would come his way, if only he could make the necessary Igbo sacrifice. They told him that he would also have a new child that year, that he would build his own house, and that he would have an abundant amount of money if he could offer a he-goat to Esu, a pig to Ifa, and a dove to Olókun. He quickly brought the items, and they helped him perform the sacrifice. He compensated the visitors, and they returned to their homes. By the end of that month, his wife missed her menstruation and became pregnant. Not long after, his popularity spread. His work became very prolific, and money began to come to him from all directions. As soon as he had enough, he built the house. After completing the construction, his wife gave birth. He entered the new year with unprecedented abundance and satisfaction. To express his gratitude to the Orisa who had brought him prosperity, he gave a pig and a goat to Ifa, a he-goat and a rooster to Esu, and a dove to Olókun. For the celebration, he invited both groups of babaláwo who had divined for him. After drinking wine and eating, he sang praises to the Ifa priests and the Orisa, and everyone rejoiced with him for having survived such hardships.